Our region is a growing and vibrant community. From recycling choices to innovative reuse opportunities, great things are happening in our region.
You could build an entire house out of what went into the landfill.
If we didn't recycle concrete, all the concrete would go into landfills and taking up space.
Resources are expensive and are becoming more limited.
When you think about 38% of all the material that we're throwing away, there's just much more work that we have to do.
Many companies also have realized that taking landfills is an expensive process that costs them money. Finding other uses for those materials often results in savings or increased revenues.
We started in 1952 moving houses and went into demolition. From that, we went into the recycling of the products that we were demolishing. We are getting into different markets, and as those markets open up, it gives us additional opportunities.
We have about 20 companies working together to turn waste into profits. So they're taking underutilized waste or byproducts and finding new uses for them.
Cherry started working with CEMEX in an effort to supply them tires for an alternative fuel source and to help avoid 250,000 tires annually going to the landfills.
No builder's garage is big enough to store the things that should not be thrown away. And the only infrastructure in place is the landfill across the country. Now, in Houston and Huntsville, that's different.
In order to really make a big bite out of all this construction material that's being thrown away, we do things like point-to-point exchanges. We've been able to find nonprofit organizations delivered directly to them. So that not only saves time, it saves fuel, and allows us to divert larger amounts of material than we normally would have.
I'm trying to prove that you can make a reasonable living using free salvage and recycled materials, and it's possible.
My name's Linda, and this is the house that I'm building in Huntsville, Texas, with Dan Phillips. All of our workers can do everything. No one is really specialized in, say, like tile work or framing or roofing. We all kind of participate together as a team.
It makes it easy because we've got the services. Instead of carpet on the floor, let's put bottle caps. Let's use paper mache.
We kind of have to decide as we go along to see what materials are available.
Repetition creates pattern, and it also creates unity. So if I have 100 of these and 100 of those, it doesn't make any difference what these and those are. I have the possibility of a pattern.
Usually it turns out to be even better than you thought it would be.
Amazing what you can do with free materials.
To learn more about other great things happening in our region, go to www.ourregion.org.